What will it take for a high school student to qualify for a college course? Are we adequately equipping high school students to hurdle college entrance tests? My title for this talk is the 3 M's of strengthening sustainability in test taking. According to the great mathematician Euclid, the Egyptians who built the pyramids, and to even modern day engineers, the strongest and the most solid structure is one with the triangular shape. So I would like to present the 3 M's. I would like to illustrate it using the triangle. The first is motivate to the maximum level. We all know this. The second leg is master the basics, minimize gaps. The third is mobilize the use of multiple choice type of questions. Let's start with motivation. Motivation matters. All of us know this. We had been talking about it since yesterday, today. Time and time again, it had been proven true. From my own experience, the most forceful motivation is having a positive vision. Vision is the result of dream and action. So the challenge is with us teachers. How could we motivate our students? Kasi 2 years yung hahabulin, di ba? But right now, kahit anong gawin natin, hindi natin mapapalitan kagad itong system. But we are faced with students now who are in the 3rd year, 4th year, and they will be going to college. So we've got to do something. And of course, we all agree, we cannot give what we do not have. We could only motivate our students if we are highly motivated ourselves. The enthusiasm should come from us. So before we started with our review center, go ahead, I already presented that. Okay, that's 10% admitted their teachers influenced them to pursue college education. 90% were influenced by relatives and friends. 96% believe that their elementary and high school training had adequately prepared them for college. So, I'm telling you the story that before we started with the review center, I tried to interview the college professors at UPLE who were handling the basic general courses. It was quite easy for me to approach them because they were my former students in high school. And these were the feedback that I got from these college professors. I'll give you only 2 examples. Okay, from Sal D. Angales, teaching basic physics. This was his feedback. Based on my general observation, majority of the students nowadays are exhibiting a performance in physics courses less than what I would consider satisfactory. it is very normal in general physics courses to find more than half of the number of students failing in lecture exams, with a considerable number in the mediocre level, and only a small percentage with exceptional performance. This trend is maybe an indicator of certain insufficiencies in the basic pre-tertiary level training of these students, especially in the areas of, shall we read these together? Logical reasoning ability, comprehension of concepts, mathematical and even grammatical skills. Do you agree? According to him, he had been teaching physics courses in UP Los Baños since 1991, and it is quite sad to notice the regression in the competence level of UP students, especially in the field of physics, the foundation of engineering, and most modern technologies. Okay, this next feedback was from Vernel Lawas, a math professor. Sabi niya, for the past 3 years, the average failing rate of students in UPLB is at least 20% of the student population in college algebra. The basic, if not the easiest subject they will meet in their stay in the university other than the RGEP courses, Math 1 and 2. Most of us math people are dumbfounded by this data. These were the students, the 96 students who believed that they were adequately prepared. So where is the disparity? Bakit ganon? Bakit hindi consistent yung perception ng mga bata at yung nangyayari talaga sa classroom? Okay? So, let's go to the next level of the tripod. Alright? According to these college professors, these are the basic attributes that students should possess to be prepared for college work. Students should take responsibility for their own learning, should persevere when faced with time-consuming or complex tasks, should notice and attend to details, should display intellectual curiosity, should contribute to and benefit from group solving activities. This is just very much in line with what Dr. Violy had been telling us this morning. So what should it take for a high school student to be able to hurdle the entrance exams? Our first suggestion from our review center is we go back to the basics. Okay? The usual procedure that we give in our review class is we always start with an assessment or a diagnostic test. So from the assessment tests and the diagnostic tests, we were able to compile data of students coming from different schools. And let me just give you a sample of the results. Okay? This is from a school. I will not tell you the name of the school. It's a private school near Metro Manila. The students that belong to this group with this data had been in this school from kindergarten up to high school, and there were honor students in the group. Okay? So in arithmetic and numeracy, 63.83 of the students needs. Okay? That's basic arithmetic. Basic algebra, 74.47. Advanced algebra, 78.72. Okay, vocabulary,